Ismail is a fundamental evolution. This is the first evolution ever taken place immediately after creating the process. Even, see, forget about for the time being about this difficult philosophical explanation. Think about one mother after 9 months having this pregnancy of 9 months. See, it is a difficult period or easy period? Difficult period. Lot of care, lot of pains, lot of suffering, lot of things, emotional, physical, everywhere. That's all. And finally labor pain. Finally labor pain also. So difficult or easy? But once born, and this crying sound goes in the ears of the mother, what appears? First, what appears? That means immediately after creation, what appears? Ismail appears. Ismail is fundamental. Fundamental. Neutro. Ismail is the part of the neutro. And meditation is also neutral state of mind. Therefore, Ismail is the essential component of the meditation. If any meditation or if any spiritual practices make you serious, be aware, something wrong. Be aware, something trying to hypnotize you. What they are trying to do? They are trying to hypnotize you. They are not. If any spiritual master, see, look, real good pictures of all these ancient masters. What you see their face? Like a very commander or military major face or smiling face. Even you cannot see the physical smile like that. But you see inside, inner smile. You see the inner smile there. In all this face, what do you see?
The eyes.
Inner, in the eyes. Yes, smile is not just a matter of mouth. Yes, it is inner smile. Inner smile. It can be reflected by eyes also. Because eye is the like gate of our brain. Windows of our mind. So when I am smiling here, maybe because of compulsion. Sometimes I cannot smile. So sometimes I like this, I have to hold this smile. But this is coming here. It can come from here. Smile. So this is a smile. So therefore you have to understand the smile. So therefore I want to tell you a very important thing about the smile. If somehow because of the circumstances, if these children lost their smile, for example, because of family condition or see, this person is now have every possibility to become a wrong person, wrong civilian, criminal, because this smile was lost. So smile, first 3 years, smile education is must for the babies. First 3 years, so that they can become very good civilians in future. Even if they are not smiling, see, even see, it is newborn baby. Then they are 1 year or 2 year. Even when we are playing with them, what we are doing again and again, tingling them. We are tingling them because we know it. By instinct we know it. It is necessary part of their growth. So if we are not doing because of fighting with the family, husband and wife family, not taking care of the children, so there is all possibility to spoil this life of this person. So this is smile. So that means smile is the fundamental part of our being. So therefore, when we approach this meditation by this technique of smile, we have the easy approach to attain the meditative state. Otherwise, see, all meditative practices, long practice, that do sit and close the eyes and just chant this mantra, then sleep, and then again wake up, forget, then again starting again. Because fundamental missing. Fundamental something is missing. So this is the easy approach to achieve the meditative state of mind. First of all, smile itself is neutral state. Meditation itself is neutral state. I want to tell you, whatever we do, whatever we are doing in this world, whatever, you are learning this class, or you are doing anything else in your private life or your social life, ultimately what is the purpose? What is the purpose? you want to get some sort of happiness. What you are doing? Why you want a good house? To become happy. Why you want lot of money? To become happy. Why want you good jewelry? Ultimately to become happy. Good clothes, whatever you want. Ultimately what you are seeking for? What you are seeking?
Happiness.
Only happiness. And happiness brings what? Smile. So there is another way. Become smiling and you get happiness. When you become happy, smile is coming. That means smile is the result of your happiness. So there is another way. Start smiling and you automatically become happy. You automatically. So your purpose of life is fulfilled. So in that condition, you need not money to become happy. You need not have a status to become happy. You need not be dependent on any physical aspect to become happy. Just you know smiling and you become happy. Any situation. Even you are suffering in this some situation, like physically, like I have pain, stomach pain, even suffering, but I can create a smile. Smile. Different. So when I have such a phenomena, when I understanding the smile technique, and when in the any given situation I can create a smile, that means I am free from suffering. And what is the purpose of meditation? Free from suffering only. So smile meditation is a special meditation when we are not stuck with any idea. So therefore, our meditation is a secular meditation. Not particular type of sect. This meditation is mind meditation. This meditation is, I follow this path, Hindu path. So I have to meditate, oh, another path. So I have to meditate different way. Different way. No. Here we have another way of meditation, smile. So do you think Hindu have a separate smile than others? Or the same? In the everywhere in the world, if somebody is happy, they have any other expression of happiness than smile? Did anybody give training to smile to someone? No, it came spontaneously. It came automatically. So therefore, smile is fundamental. Already I told you, smile is the movement of the creation starting. That means immediately after Big Bang, it is ensured, yes, this real practical world has started to evolve. Successful starting, and immediately existing spirit is smiling. So this smile is spreading all over the world. This is a smile. So recognize this smile. Is a smile meditation. Not recognize. So we are not actually smiling. In the smile meditation, yes, some way we are trying to smile because we forget that smiling. We forgot. So forcefully we are smiling. Forcefully. But actually our purpose is not to smile forcibly. Our purpose is to recover the lost smile. Because actually we are smile existence. Actually, our very nature is smiling. Our very nature is smiling. We forget that nature. We forgot that nature. So purpose of smile meditation to recover that lost smile. So main purpose of smile meditation is to recover the lost smile. So therefore sometimes we have to see many people. See, you can now see Homo people. Homo people always always. Even if I say